I am Anastasiia and I am from Ukraine. Today I would like to tell you about my aupair experience in the Netherlands, and as it will be over in 3 days actually. So let's talk about my experience here, and just let's find out how to become an aupair in the Netherlands for everyone who would like to live this experience. How to become an aupair in the Netherlands? You should meet 3 main requirements. You should be between 18 and 25 years old. You should be unmarried and have no children. What is important to remember for non-European au pairs? Non-European au pairs will have to send proof of their unmarried status. And this is your first time to go to the Netherlands as an au pair for cultural exchange. So, if you meet all these requirements, you should definitely get the opportunity to become an au pair in the Netherlands and to go to live this experience for 1 year. The Netherlands is a great country with its authentic old cities, bike traffic, a large number of canals, dunes, islands, seaside. Being an au pair here, you will find out more about the Netherlands history, traditions, and for this reason I strongly advise you to have museum card for 1 year, and you will have access to approximately 500 museums around the Netherlands. And when you will have your 1 or 2 day trip to another city in the Netherlands, you will definitely go to explore a little bit of local museums, and for this reason you will learn more about this beautiful country. The most comfortable and the fastest way to reach any destination around the Netherlands is going by train. So for your 1 or 2 days trip around the Netherlands, I strongly recommend you to go by train, and I'm sure you will enjoy it, and you will even see a lot of picturesque places from the window of the train. The Netherlands, it's about Dutch language. It's about national cuisine, bitterballen, croquet, Nederlandse kaas, poffertjes, pannenkoeken, drop, harry, and a lot more. It's a country of flowers, especially in spring. It's absolutely amazing to smell these flowers fields, to go by bike close to them, and of course to visit Copenhagen. It's a country around 190 nationalities live, and almost everyone communicate well in English. So if you are looking for a country to become an au pair where you can improve your English skills, you should definitely choose this one, and it will be the right choice. I'm sure that being an au pair is not for everyone, but if you love kids, if you're ready to play with them, to feed them, to go for a walk and do crafts, if you love to help your host family with light household chores and cooking, you will get a valuable experience and will create unforgettable moments in return. It's the best way to dive into the lifestyle of a new country, to improve your social skills, to improve your foreign languages, and to broaden your worldview. But do realize that it takes patience and flexibility. I live by the words of well-known American writer Mark Twain. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones you did do. So throw the ball lines. Sail away from the safe harbor. Take the trade winds in your sails. Explore, dream, discover. I'm happy that I got this chance to be an au pair in the Netherlands for 1 year. And good luck for you to start this journey. And I'm sure you will like it.